cricketers are always in the midst of action. In fact, sometimes the smallest of things can result into a huge issue because players are always in the limelight. There are some tweets which gathered the spotlight and turned controversial for the players themselves. Welcome to Simply Chumma. Today we're taking a look at 10 players and their tweets which became controversial. Danielle Wyatt. England right-handed batswoman Danielle Wyatt made headlines when she wrote "Kohli marry me" after the Indian captain continued to break record after record. In fact, Wyatt had written that tweet in a humorous way, but it was taken rather seriously in India and Wyatt was trolled after that. Later, Virat Kohli told Wyatt that such things are taken seriously in India. Mushfiqur Rahim. Mushfiqur Rahim drew flack when he took to his Twitter account to take a dig at India. The Indian team had lost the semi-final against West Indies in the 2016 T20 International World Cup. Subsequently, Rahim wrote that happiness is when India loses the semi-final. Hence, the Bangladesh wicketkeeper batsman was criticized for his tweet. Bangladesh had lost their match against India by 1 run and Rahim took out his frustration in the tweet. Ashwin and Gibbs. Ravichandran Ashwin took to his account to promote Nike shoes. Subsequently, former South African batsman Herschel Gibbs took a dig at Ashwin, as he said that Ashwin would be able to run a bit faster while wearing them. The reply did not go down well with Ashwin as he blamed Gibbs for the fixing charges which were levied on the Proteas player during his career. Gibbs then said that Ashwin could not even take a joke. The Tamil Nadu cricketer wrote, "Surely not as fast as you, mate. Unfortunately, I wasn't as blessed as you were. But I was blessed with a wonderfully ethical mind not to fix games which put food on my plate." Ambati Rayudu. Former Indian batsman Ambati Rayudu was not picked for the Indian World Cup squad. Rayudu had done a decent job and it was surprising that the selectors decided to omit him from the squad. India's selectors MSK Prasad revealed that Vijay Shankar was picked over Ambati Rayudu as he was a three-dimensional player. Subsequently, Rayudu took a dig at the selectors as he wrote that he had ordered 3D glasses to watch the match from home. Thus, Rayudu was not even given a chance after Shikhar Dhawan and Vijay Shankar were ruled out of the tournament. He decided to hang his boots. Junaid Khan. There was a lot going on with the World Cup and the respective team selection in Pakistan. There were certain players who snubbed but took it really well. But on the other hand, there were players who could not take their omission well. Hence, they took to Twitter to express their disappointment. Junaid Khan was one among them. He took to Twitter to express his displeasure. In fact, Amir had been out of form and hence Junaid was very disappointed. Thus, he put up a picture on Twitter with his mouth sporting a black tape. He captioned it, "I don't want to say anything. Truth is bitter." Harbhajan Singh. A fan on Twitter posted a video of the 2001 Kolkata Test where Harbhajan became the first Indian to take a hat-trick in 5-day cricket. One of the batsmen who was dismissed during the hat-trick, Australian wicketkeeper batsman Adam Gilchrist, took a cheeky dig at the video, pointing out the absence of the decision review system during the time. Bhaji, who felt that Gilly was trying to question the hat-trick, replied asking him to stop crying over the dismissal. The off-spinner, however, deleted the tweet before going on a rant accusing Gilly of always crying and that the former wicketkeeper wouldn't have survived the spell even if the DRS had been in place. Jimmy Neesham. Jimmy Neesham's tweet regarding MS Dhoni's run-out during the 2019 Indian Premier League final did not go down with the fans, and the all-rounder was heavily trolled before he finally took the tweet down. One of the biggest talking points and probably the turning point of the game came during Chennai Super Kings innings when MS Dhoni was dismissed for 2 in the 13th over. Responding to the run-out, Neesham took to Twitter to express what he felt about the incident. "I love how passionate some fans are about our sport. I have huge respect for MS, but how anyone could see the below photo and say it's not out truly astounds me. The all-rounder also attached a photo that showed an angle that suggested MS Dhoni was well short of his crease. The tweet, of course, did not go down with Dhoni's fans, and the all-rounder was trolled on social media for the same. It forced Neesham to eventually take down the tweet with a statement that said, "I'm sick of seeing the same dumb comments in my feed 200 times a day. I just don't actually care." Sanjay Manjrekar and Ravindra Jadeja. Indian all-rounder Ravindra Jadeja slammed former cricketer turned commentator Sanjay Manjrekar for calling him a bits and pieces player. Jadeja said that he had heard enough of Manjrekar's verbal diarrhea. Earlier, Manjrekar said that he is not a fan of bits and pieces players like Ravindra Jadeja. To quote him, he said, "I am not a big fan of bits and pieces players," which Jadeja is at this point of his career in 50-over cricket. In test matches, he is a pure bowler, but in 50-over cricket, I would rather have a batsman and a spinner. Manjrekar's comments came after it was suggested that Jadeja could be brought into the playing 11 for the Bangladesh match. Jadeja then hit back at Manjrekar and took to Twitter to express his anger. He wrote, "Still, I have played twice the number of matches you have played and I'm still playing. Learn to respect people who have achieved. I have heard enough of your verbal diarrhea." At Sanjay Manjrekar. Waqar Younis. Waqar Younis, after hearing the Women's Cricket World Cup schedule, came up with an unwanted tweet. At ICC, what about having 30 overs Cricket World Cup for women? Like tennis, 3 sets rather than 5. Hashtag suggestion, I feel 50 overs are few too many. Hashtag WW Cup 17. As soon as he tweeted this, Twitter users expressed displeasure and reminded him that women are no less than men. Everybody wanted to know if he treated women as equals or not, and thus Waqar had to soon take his tweet down. Robinson Ollie. Robinson Ollie took 2 wickets in the first day of the first test on June 2nd, 2021 against New Zealand. But instead of his performance being the talking point, suddenly all his old tweets became the center of discussion. His tweets in 2012 and 2013 came to the spotlight to show his racist and sexist side. The tweets, in one of which he wrote that "my new Muslim friend is the bomb," and in another that "a lot of girls need to learn the art of class," were all posted between April 2012 and June 2013. In a third, he wrote that females who play video games actually tend to have more sex than girls who don't. He also used an emoji to show how Asians will use it. And it was extremely racist. Ollie has been apologizing for his old tweets and said he was a different person now. But this did come under big scrutiny. What do you think of this list? Which was the most controversial post according to you? Please do let us know if we have missed out on any tweet in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to Simply Chumma for more amazing and interesting videos on cricket and other sports.